Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to set up goal bars. So when I say goal bars, I mean like let's say you have a goal for a certain number of followers. Let's say you have a goal for a certain number of subs, bits, dollars, or a combination of those things. This will be a way to set that up, set up those goal bars, those trackers, um, to see where you are with that goal. So yeah, if you find that helpful, please give me a like and subscribe for more Mix It Up tutorials. Okay, so setting up the follower, subscriber, bits, and dollar goal bars will be pretty straightforward. Setting up a combination will be a little more complicated as far as having a way to combine bits, dollars, and subs all into one bar. Um, But yeah, we'll go through all of that, and hopefully this will cover basically every possible goal bar you would ever want. Okay, so we're gonna go to click on the top left menu, go to overlay widgets right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you, let's look at bits first. Okay, so bits, you have to select it over here, and the position I've chosen is gonna put in the bottom left over here. If you want to put it somewhere else, you'll have to play with that. But what I have right now is 16% for percentage from the left side and 97 for percentage from the top. And that'll put it down right here. And so if you want to be further to the right, then move this further along this bar here. Okay. And then for the starting amount, I have 0. For the goal amount, I have 1,000 bits. And then for the progress color, I have red. So that's going to be what goes up when you are getting bits. And then for the background color, I just chose black. But if you want something else, you can. You don't have to do that. Just what I did. I chose white for the text color. I just stuck with Arial for the text font. You can choose whatever you want. You can also download fonts to your computer, and once those are on your system, you can use those fonts inside Mix It Up as well. And then for the item width, I chose 600, and for the height, I chose 50. So let me show you how that looks currently. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let's change the bits amount. Let's change it to like 350. Okay, there you go. There's something else you should be aware of. Okay, so if you scroll further down, you'll find some HTML. It's kind of hard to read. I'll double click it and zoom it in so you take a look at it. Let me actually close all these. Let's reopen it. Okay, let me zoom this in and we'll take a look at it. Can I put this in dark mode? Is that possible? App theme, dark mode. Yes. Okay, awesome. Okay. So the only part I really want you to look at is over here. Okay? Because this is not how it looks initially. Initially, all it has is amount and percentage. Okay? So I went in here and I actually typed in bits so that it says bits. If you want to be more specific about what your bits goal is, you can. Just keep in mind you're going to want to accommodate for the width, for like how many more characters you're adding to your goal bar, and you'll also have to compensate for the position. If you're on the lower left hand side like I am, you'll have to move that further over to the right to compensate for how much longer you're going to be making it if you add more words. And then I put slash 1,000 so that they know it's out of 1,000. And then, yeah, you have the percentage. So yeah, if you want to add more than just the amount and the percentage, then I'd recommend going right here. right after where it says, it's right after the text color in here and right before the percentage. Um, that's where I would start typing if you want to provide more information about what your bits goal is. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, so that's it for this. There is one thing you want to do though, as far as your bits goal, or as far as all the goal bars, is that inside your bits event, you're gonna want to set up a couple commands, a couple actions. Let's go to Twitch. Let's go to bits cheered. Where is it? Bits cheered. Okay. So at least while you're doing your bits goal, you should go here. You should add an overlay action. Select show/hide widget under the action, and then choose bits. We want to set it to not visible, and then visible. So hide bits bar, uh, show bits bar. And the reason why we're doing this is so that it'll refresh, but no one will really notice that it's disappearing because it's like instantaneous. You can't even tell that it's disappearing. But that is what's going to refresh your bits bar. So you can put it here, or you can make a command for it that runs it. But yeah, do one of those two things. Let's see. So yeah, I think I'll hide these for now. I don't need this right now, so I'm turning that off. Okay, so that's how to set up a bits bar.